Guys, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's a different thing, and today I'll be cooking for you a Jamaican so good menu. This menu is called Jamaican brown stew pork, and in that bowl over there I have the pork, and there's no bone in this pork, so guess what, we're going to have a so good menu today. You're also going to need some browning, you're going to need 1 carrot, you're going to need half of each sweet pepper, okra, and you're also going to need onion. We're going to season the pork now, and I've just placed some salt into the pork. The next thing you're going to need some garlic. Yes, you're going to need some garlic. You can use powdered garlic or the ground garlic, whichever garlic you choose, fine by me. And now I'll be adding some thyme. It doesn't matter which thyme you're using, as long as you have thyme into your pot. Yeah, it is the real deal. Now guys, I am going to add some chili flakes. I don't have any scotch bonnet pepper, but in Jamaica it's scotch bonnet pepper we use to cook our pork. Then I am going to add some ginger. Reason why I'm adding the ginger is because of those with stomach problem. You know, the ginger helps to digest the pork. So if you're having stomach problem while you're eating the pork, don't worry yourself. Just add a little ginger and everything will be simmer. Then I am going to add some pork seasoning. Then I will be adding some all-purpose seasoning. You don't have to add the all-purpose seasoning, or you can add the all-purpose seasoning, but you know Jamaican tingo will love spice. So guys, you're going to add 1 teaspoon each of all the seasoning that I named before. Now guys, I am going to add some browning. You don't have to add the browning to it. You could also brown your pork into the pot, yeah, without putting any browning. You are also going to need some Irish. Irish is a must when you're cooking your brown stew pork. Now I'm going to mix this in, and I'm going to mix all the seasoning with my pork. After I finish seasoning the pork, I am going to let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. Yeah, Jamaican love to marinate their meat. So I'm going to let it marinate for at least 10 minutes before I start the cooking process. And I am going to cut up my onion and my onion. I'm going to put it in with the pork and let it marinate. You can also add pimento. If you have pimento at home, you can add pimento seed also to your brown stew pork. And brown stew pork is one of Jamaican delicacy. Jamaicans love brown stew pork. Now I am going to cut my scallion. Yeah, you have to have all these ingredients when you're cooking Jamaican brown stew pork. Yeah, the more ingredients, the nicer the pot will be. And now I'm going to cut my sweet pepper, otherwise called bell pepper. Yeah. After I am finished cutting all of this, like I said guys, it will marinate for at least 10 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how I am going to cook this so good Jamaican brown stew pork for you. So guys, don't go nowhere, don't change your dial, don't even go anywhere. Just stick around and you will see the rest of the preparation for this dish. So I've finished cutting my sweet pepper and I am blending in everything together. And then, you know, like the girl said before, she will be letting it marinate, or she's going to let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, it's gonna be a so good bomb diggy bomb. There I have my pot on the stove, and I'm going to place about 1 tablespoon oil. You can use less oil because you know the pork is already fatty. And I am going to remove the pork from the seasoning before I put it into the pot. I'm going to ensure that I take off all the seasonings before I put it into the pot. So guys, don't go nowhere like I said before. Just go and watch all the things go. Don't worry yourself, you're gonna see what it looks like when I am finished. And so I'm taking off all the seasoning. Yeah, and guys, my hand is clean because I wash it. You know the thing go. And so I finished putting in all the pork into the pot, and I am going to stir it around, stir it around, stir it around. And I'm just going to add just a little tips of water, just a little bit of water, and cover it. And you're going to ensure that you cook your pork until it is tender. We don't want no afro pork, so ensure that you cook it until it is tender. So I'm going to leave this to cook for about 25 or 30 minutes because I cut it small, so it will cook very quickly. So guys, that time has passed and this is what it looks like. And so I'm going to test it to see if it is cooked, and if it is cooked, then I am going to add the other ingredients. You don't want to pour too much water into your pot because you will water down the seasoning that you put into. You season the meat with. And I've just placed my bell peppers, and now I'm putting in my Irish potato. Sorry guys, my Irish potato. So I'm going to cut my carrot and my okra. And for the persons who don't like okra, you don't have to put any okra in there, but yeah, you know Jamaican like okra because you know the saying okra is good for you. Yes guys. So I'm cutting my carrot and I'm going to place it into the pot along with my okra, and over there I have a little wither scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, but I think it will do the work for me. Okay. And I am cutting my okra and I'm going to place it in my pot, and this is my so good Jamaican brown stew pork. And I've placed in my bell pepper, my garlic, my scallion, my onion, and I'm just going to mix it around. I'm going to toss it around, I'm going to fiddle it around, I'm going to whistle it around, and then I'm going to pour just a little tip more water in it. And this is what it looks like guys, and I'm going to cover it and let it. So guys, this is finished cooking. This is actually finished cooking, and this is what my plate looks like when I serve it to you. And I hope you guys enjoy what I did for you in the kitchen today. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Why don't you leave your comments down below? Turn your notification bell on so whenever I uploaded any video, you will be notified. Hit that bell. Hit the bell guys and you will be notified. So guys, this is one of Jamaican delicacy, brown stew pork. Jamaican love eat brown stew pork. I hope you guys will give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys will also share this video. Yeah, so I will say until next time guys, walk good, take care of yourself, be good to each other. Until next time guys, I will say choose peace. You know this girl.